Tim here with Bluejay Industrial. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to properly install ATV pattern chain. First step you're going to want to do is lay your chain out along the side of your ATV vehicle with the studs facing down towards the pavement or dirt. Next step is you're going to want to grab the chain somewhere towards the middle and drape it over the top of the tire, centering the pattern down the center of the tire. Once you have it centered over the tire, you're going to want to move the vehicle forward over the top of the chain till you have 1.5 patterns sticking out from the back side of the chain. So we're going to go ahead and move it forward now. Once you have your vehicle positioned over the top of the chain, you see we have 1.5 patterns out the back. From this point, we're going to hook up our outside and inside fasteners. Starting on the inside, you want to grab your chain here, the outside chain. You want to move the links to the outside. Just bring them back, hold them in your hand. Run your fastener through the link. Then you can take these extra links that I have here, run them back over the fastener. Bring it down. Just clip that into the link. And we're going to repeat these same steps on the outside here. Again, grabbing the chain, fold the extra links up, run your fastener through, bring the extra links back over, and bring it back in on itself. Like that. Now that your fasteners outside and inside are in place, we're going to now attach the center pattern. And how we're going to do that is you're going to take the 2 rings on the last pattern on this, and you're going to bring these tails through the rings like this, and you're going to use the chain shackles that are supplied with your chains. Remove the pin. You're going to bring these tail chains back to the side chain. Run your shackle through. Bring it back in on a link. Take the pin of your shackle and fasten it into place. We're going to repeat these steps for the outside. Again, taking the tail of each chain on the pattern, run it through the ring, back down to the side chain, chain shackle, link, fasten your screw pin, and there you have it.